Marianne with Marianne's Cupboards, and this is the third video that we're doing on emergency laundry, or basically doing your laundry by hand. In the first two videos, I showed you how to do your laundry with a trash bag and how to use a toilet plunger and 3 buckets to do your laundry. And today I'm going to show you how to use a Gamma lid bucket to do your laundry actually while you're traveling on the road and your car is moving. So this is the sanitation kit that we keep in our car. I showed you one before, but this is a little different one. This is our Lugaboo, and inside the Lugaboo I have our portable shower, and I have a rain poncho that serves as a privacy tent for dressing or using the restroom, and disposable bags for your toilet disposals, and a 2-gallon collapsible bucket that I got at Walmart, and this we'll be using today to hold our clothes, and we've used it in the other methods as well. And our wash machine, which is a 2-gallon, and our wash machine, which is a 2-gallon Gamma lid bucket. Gamma lid buckets have gaskets on them, so they tend to be pretty watertight, not completely, but pretty watertight. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our laundry supplies out of the bucket, and this is a soft-sided lunch bag that I keep in the car all the time. We have a Dodge Caravan that has stow and goes, and this fits really nicely in one of the stow and goes. So while our car's in passenger mode, this can go in the stow and go, and when we're traveling, it can go in my other sanitation bucket. I've showed you the things that we've used in the other two videos, and today I'm going to show you how to use the same supplies with the Gamma bucket. So the first thing we're going to do is use one of our lawn and leaf bags to hold our Gamma bucket so that it doesn't leak in the car. So we're going to put our Gamma bucket inside. Then put our clothes in. And then we're going to take our gallon water bottle. This is a bleach bottle that I filled with water, and if you notice it says wash on it. And we're going to pour that in to the bucket. And 1 gallon of water will pretty much do a full load of clothes in the 2-gallon Gamma bucket. I don't have as many clothes in there as it will hold, so I'm only going to use probably about half a gallon. Then I'm going to use our concentrated soap, and this will do about 50 tubs of clothes. So we're just going to add about a half a cupful to this little bit of laundry. And this is a really good product because it is biodegradable and non-toxic and very environmental friendly. Then we're going to put our lid on, and we need to put our lid on really tight. So it doesn't leak any more than it has to. So I've got it really tight. Then we're going to pull our bag up. And put our clip on there so the water doesn't leak out. And then we're going to lay it on its side between the front and back seats where the well is, or we can actually put it on the passenger side of the front seat if there's nobody sitting there. And as we drive, it's going to roll back and forth and agitate the clothes. And when you get to your destination, you tip it back up. Any water that's leaked out is going to go into the leaf bag, and you're going to undo the lid and wring out your clothes. And place them in your 2-gallon bucket. And then I'm going to take my wash container, and I've taken a 2-liter pop bottle and cut it to make a funnel so that it's easy to pour the water from the 2-gallon bucket back into the bleach bottle. Then I'll screw the lid back on, and then it's ready to do another tub of clothes at another time. So now I'm going to take my gallon bucket, my gallon container of rinse water, and put it in. With my clothes. And again, I'm only going to use probably about a half a gallon. Put the lid back on really tight. Pull the bag up around it. Clip it with the bag clip. Then lay it on its side, and again, let it agitate as we drive to our next destination. You could also, if you only need to wash it while you're traveling and you need to rinse it afterwards while you're stopped, then you can actually sit and push it back and forth between 2 people with your feet and agitate it that way. So then when I'm done, I'm going to undo the lid, take out my clothes, and wring them out. Now when we're traveling, we have a little clothesline in our car that I can hang things on while we're traveling to dry, or you can take paracord and string it between trees or your canopy to hang your clothes up. So now this water is ready to pour back in to the rinse bucket. And then it can be used again. So you can do a number of tubs of clothes with just these 2 gallons of water. And then when you want to recycle it and eliminate one of the gallons, you take and dump your wash water and then pour your rinse water into your wash container, and then fill your rinse water back up into this jug. And then that way you only are using 1 gallon of water for about 4 tubs of clothes. Okay, so I hope that's helpful for you in your travels to do your laundry on the road. If you have other questions, you can go to Washing Laundry by Hand. My little booklet that you can find on Mary Ann's Cupboard's website will give you all of the supplies that you need and the processes for doing it and conserving water in the process. So thanks for watching, and go to maryannscupboards.com to get your book or to see other videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.